Hello, everyone. This is Rhonda of Virtu.com, helping stay-at-home moms and women entrepreneurs grow businesses online via content marketing and attraction marketing on a hectic schedule with ease. And today's topic for this video is 6 steps to constructing a simple and irresistibly beautiful infographics. 6 to constructing simple and irresistibly beautiful infographics. Okay, so I'm going to start off with what is an infographic? Infographics are graphic visual representations of information, data, and knowledge used to present information in a visually appealing, quick, and specific way. The next question is, why are infographics popular in content marketing? Infographics are popular with content marketing because people tend to process information in visual form 60,000 times faster than written form. And note the fact that 65%, and that's over half of the human population, are visual learners. Okay, so basically infographics are visual content, and they are used a lot. A lot of businesses and companies implement infographics in their content and visual content marketing strategies. Okay, so we're going to get into 6 steps to constructing simple and irresistibly beautiful infographics. Number 1, you have to envision the look. Okay, before you sit down and create an infographic, you need to think in your mind how you want it to look, how you want the graphics placed on the infographic, the text, what type of shapes you are going to use in your infographics. So you have to envision the look, visualize the look in your mind, and you can, if you need inspiration on how you can design your infographic or you can envision the look, you can just do a simple Google search, infographics. It will show you all types of infographics that are in all types of forms, in all types of styles and designs, the colors and the fonts and that type of thing. So you really want to envision how you want your infographic to look before you get started. That's the most important thing, and that's step 1. Okay, step 2, choose a template. You can either create an infographic from a blank template or already existing template. Now, creating an infographic from a blank template, in which I do sometimes, it's just like a infographic template, and there you just have to, it's like creating it from scratch. You have to add the shapes, the graphics, the fonts, whatever you're going to use to create your infographic, the design elements, or if you want to create an infographic from already existing template, you can choose templates in Canva, and Canva provides, I'm going to click over here on the left side here where you see templates, and as you see, they have infographic templates over here, and all you do is you can click on one of these templates, decide which one you're going to use, and you can just change it up. You can change up the fonts, the colors, and the design and the element to match your taste. A template, already existing template, just is like a guide to give you, creating the infographic without, creating one from scratch. Okay. And now it depends on how long it takes to make an infographic, depending on the complexity, more elaborate than others. So I say it would take it takes about under an hour to an hour to a couple of days or more to create an infographic, depending on how elaborate, how fancy, how, the design of your infographic is. Okay. So if you are in a hurry, create a simple one. You can create simple ones from either already existing template, just change around the colors and the fonts and the style to suit your taste and your brand, as or you can use it from a blank template by just using simple shapes and elements and text to suit your taste and brand, as you see this infographic right here that goes along with this video that I created. And completed this in under an hour. Okay. Number 3, research and gather information data. Okay, so now if you are creating an infographic using information from other articles or websites and stuff, you definitely want to research and gather your information before you sit down and create the actual infographic. Now, for some of my infographics come from, I don't do much research and gathering, but if I create infographic saying, for example, and I'm going to scroll up here, this is an infographic I completed last week about Pinterest user and pin statistics here. And all this information in this infographic you see here, I got from various articles and websites that gave information on user and pin statistics regarding the social media platform that is Pinterest. And at the bottom here, you see I cited all the websites: hootsuite.com, sproutsocial.com, and these 3 others that I got, the information that I got. I cited the websites and the articles and blog posts where I got this information from. Okay, so you definitely want to, if you creating an infographic like this, where you including percentages and data and information, you want to gather your information, research and gather your information before you create your infographic. Step 4, you want to outline your key points. So once you did your research and gather your information and data, you want to outline your key points. All right. What are the key points that you want to present in your infographic? Okay. So you definitely want to make sure you have an idea infographic. Okay, and this infographic right here for this video is an example. All these steps that I've outlined in this infographic are the key points I want to talk to you about making an infographic. For example, if you was to create an infographic on how to get started in network marketing, 10 network marketing tips, you definitely want to outline your key point down and actually create the infographic. Okay, number 5, design and customize. How you envision your look, you choose, you research and gather your information data, you outline your key points. And so in the envision part, which is step 1, you're supposed to already have envisioned what colors and fonts and things you want to use. And if you have brand colors and fonts together, you definitely want to use those, as I do. And begin designing and customizing. You might want to, like I say, if you want to use an already existing template, you can use that and just your colors and fonts and just your overall branding to the template, or you can customize it where it's uniquely different from any template, as I have done in this infographic and done in some of my other infographics. Okay, the infographic above the Pinterest one here, this was from a blank template, uniquely custom to my taste, using shapes and my text and other elements of my brand. Okay, last but not least, so okay, I said before, if you are creating an infographic in which you are gathering information, you research and gather information from other sources such as blog posts, articles and websites, you definitely want to cite those, as you want to give credit to the authors. Okay, so we are going to go over the steps. Step 1, envision the look for your infographic. You definitely want to do this important before you actually sit down and create your infographic. You've got to have some type of idea of how you want to look. Step 2, choose a template. Okay, you can either choose an existing template or from the template section. You just have to change around the fonts, the colors, and the elements to suit your brand and to suit the topic as well. Okay? Or you can choose your own unique style. Okay, you add the shapes and the fonts, to create a unique template that's unique to you, that you haven't seen anybody else have. And you can also, like I said, if you have trouble envisioning a style of design for your infographic, you can look for inspiration in Google search. Just put in infographic examples or infographic templates, something like that. All right. Step 3, research and gather your information and data. So you definitely want to research and gather if you are creating your infographic based on some type of educational or statistical data that you are researching and gathering from other sources such as other blog posts, articles, and websites. Step 4, outline key points. What are the key points that you want to present in your infographic? And I forgot to mention, also outline them from, the most important to least important, okay? In that order from, in that order from important to least important. Step 5, this is where you actually design and customize. Like I said, you can either use a template or you can create your own, very own custom template. All right, that's unique to your style. All right. Cite your sources if you gotten information from anywhere else. All right. Usually when I create infographics for my own blog posts or my own videos, I don't have to cite sources because I am the source, okay? But if you are citing information from other sources, other people's blog posts, other people's website, do cite your sources. Okay, so that concludes 6 steps to constructing simple and irresistibly beautiful graphics. And infographics is very much part of content marketing. It's a form of visual content marketing. I will be talking more about infographics in the future. And that is it. And so I want to leave you with this question. Do you create and market infographics as part of your content marketing strategy? That answer in the comments below and let's talk about it. And if you have any other questions, comment below. If you love this video, thumbs up, share it out, subscribe, and be sure to click the notification bell symbol for it. Everything seems to want to pop up what I want to pop up. But you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.